Section 5.4 is on graph coloring. So the first theorem that we have is the four-color theorem that says if you have a planar graph, you can color it in at most 4 colors, okay? So what that means is no 2 colors will touch each other if it's a planar graph. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna give you a map. So the first thing we need to do is we need to be able to draw that with vertices and edges. So for example 1, they're saying that this is a fictional map of some countries. So every country gets a dot. Now, I put these over the book so that I could trace them, and that's the easiest way to do it is put your thing over put your paper over the book, trace it, and then I did that as well for here. I put a dot in each one. What I also like to do is I like to label these so that I can go through and I can look and see what is what. So I'm just going to label this one A, which makes this dot A. This is B. This dot was B. This is C, so this dot is C. This is D, so this dot is D. E, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, and J. So we have all of our spots. Now, what I want to do over here is I want to show which countries touch which other countries. So A touches E, so they would have an edge. A touches F, and A touches B. B touches A, B touches F, B touches C. C touches B, C touches F, and C touches D. G only touches F. E touches A, F, H, and I. F touches E, A, B, C, G, and H. H touches E, F, oh, I missed this one here, C touches H, that's why it's good to go through all of them, and then C also touches J. I touches E and H, and J touches I. If they share a vertex, like this shares a corner, they don't actually share a border, okay? And so in this case, then J just touches I and C, okay? So now you literally are gonna color, okay? And the most, because this is a planar graph, the most colors I'm gonna have to use are 4. And what they like you to do is use the least amount possible. Now, there's no way to know exactly without actually doing it. So you literally are going to be coloring, okay? So I'm gonna start out, I honestly, doesn't matter where you start, but I'm gonna start with the one that has the most. So this I'm gonna make orange. Using color pencils, something that is light, or highlighters, something that you can see through, instead of markers that are gonna be dark, it's too hard to see. Now, there's nothing else that touches this can be orange, okay? So I'm gonna make this one yellow. Now C doesn't touch G, so I can make C yellow. But B touches C and D touches C, so neither of those can be yellow. A can be yellow. E can't be yellow. H can be yellow. And then, nope, just kidding, see? And this is why it's good to use H touches C. So H, I'm gonna have to make another color. I'll make H red. I can go back over here and D can be orange because it doesn't touch F. B can't be orange or yellow, but B can be red. E touches H and F and A. And right now I have all three of those colors. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to have 4 colors. E has to be a different color. I touches green and red. So I can go back to making I either yellow or orange, it doesn't matter. Now this one's yellow, which means I'd want this one to be, and again, this one could be red, green, orange, doesn't matter. I'm gonna make this one orange so that I can be yellow because it touches the red, yellow, and the green. So then this can be yellow. So I ended up using 4 colors, and that's okay, that's what happens on this map. And now having this right next to this, you're going to color this. And it's nice because now I know. I did, instead of trying to color here and realizing it didn't work, I have this one here is gonna be yellow, and I am not gonna go through, I'm not gonna go through and go, oh, your coloring job isn't good enough. As long as you have a rough sketch of what it is, you can trace this, but if you don't color in perfectly, it's not the end of the world. Now, if you're noticing, I have different colors than the answer in the book, okay? My regions are colored different. But the bottom line is when I get done, I can go through and double check and none of my colors will touch the same color. So can you get a different answer that's in the book? Absolutely. Is it easy to check? Absolutely. This orange doesn't touch any other orange. This doesn't touch any yellow. This doesn't touch any yellow. This doesn't touch any orange. Doesn't touch any red. Doesn't touch any green. Yellow, red, and we're good. Okay?